We have this Cavavin wine cooler. I'll show you the model and serial number first. This is the model and serial number. The condenser fan motors are there. This is the condenser coils. The compressors at the back of this unit. The customer had similar unit in the past, and when something similar to this happened, this controller was no longer available. There's another controller, it looks like a ballast at the back. That part was no longer available. So I think the customer had to change the unit. If your unit is overheating, of course it's not gonna cool. The cooling system is not gonna work. So the way to confirm this problem is to get here in front, like look at this panel here, run your hand straight down from here, and you should not feel a lot of heat. If you feel a lot of heat, that means that your condenser coils are overheating, and then you have to check your condenser fan motors, which is located right there, to see why they are not running. If they are not running, usually it's not common for these fans to blow or break or it gets defective. The two of them at the same time cannot go bad. So if both of them are not working, means that you got problem with the control board on this unit. If you cannot get the control board, the only solution is to add auxiliary fan getting power from the compressor. Anytime the compressor comes on, it's gonna cool down the system, it's gonna cool down the condenser fan motor, and this is the only solution for this issue that this Cavavin unit is having. Otherwise, if you cannot get the controllers for this unit, then the whole unit is garbage. So for now, I pull the unit out. We're going to run a fan at the back of this unit. The customer has an extra fan that we can run for the next couple hours and see how it goes. If that takes care of the overheating issue, then of course we have the option of adding an extra condenser fan motor at the back of this unit. Location would be by the compressor, and that will take care of the problem. Thank you. So the back panel is held by a couple 6 Robertson screws. We remove the back panel, it's open now here, and the compressor is so hot that you cannot keep your fingers on it for 3 seconds. These are the two condenser fan motors that they usually cause a lot of issues with these units. And you see that ballast looking electrical controller. And so a customer has this fan. We are going to run it here for the next 24 hours, and customer will update me how the cooling system is working on this unit, and then we can make our plans from there. It's running now, and you will see some results in the next 6 hours, and then after that still keep running it and see how everything goes.